In the diaspora, we have rallied behind President Chamisa, and we will continue to do so. When he last visited the UK a few years ago, he inspired so much and was clear in his mind about the kind of Zimbabwe he wants. And that is what we want too. He wants change. He wants to see better outcomes for every Zimbabwean. We desire this too. He has people at his heart. Saka pana mashoko tinoti aiwa vakomana vekudhiaspora vouya panapa vachicheresha vachiindoza aiwa the opposition leader ari kuganiswa Chamisa vachiti ndiye munhu watiri kuda kuti atungamire nyika anobva subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tirina panapa bepanhau aiwa rachinzi redombanyo rachiti most of us in the diaspora want to come back home, but we cannot under the current regime. It will be very difficult for us in the country. If President Chamisa is in power, the country will witness the return of many diasporas because they trust him. And we know that the leadership that would be in power at the time will be rebuilding Zimbabwe under the leadership, the guidance of President Chamisa. Citizens trust him. He is the hope and the beacon for change. President Chamisa is the kind of leader that people would follow voluntarily, even if he had to no title or position, because that is the leadership quality he exudes. In the diaspora, we have looked to him and continue to do so alongside all of us for the vision of a better new Zimbabwe. He is our only hope and has demonstrated courage in many political storms and attacks, and he has remained silent. He has stood firm in his belief for a new Zimbabwe. We want a future for our children, grandchildren, and those who will come after us. And this President Chamisa's vision, this can be a reality for the millions of Zimbabweans. We have suffered so much over the last 45 years. Tomasvikana muda toko panapa kumana kudiaspora chete aiwa tangoda kunzwa Nelson Chamisa kana achingapinda onto power, that's when we are going to return back nyika yeZimbabwe, just because under the ruling party we cannot. Tudze mafunguro enyu vari kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pira kumesi chimene kuti mafunguro enyu musana subscribe or like, on the bell icon.